Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a quick video on these utility flooring tiles. We have a box of 12 tiles. These are interlocking rubber tiles. They're for garages and gym use. We have a Type R here, and it is November up here in Pennsylvania, and the weather is getting really cold. So I don't plan on storing this car completely in wintertime. There will be warm days up here in Pennsylvania, in the high 40s and maybe mid 50s. Those days I will drive it out just to get the engine and the fuel going. I don't want to let it sit all winter time. But since I'm going to be driving a lot less and I don't have a set of snow tires yet, that's probably going to be my project next year. I don't want these summer tires to be sitting on this hard cement floor all winter. So I want to give it a little cushion, because the last thing I want is have these flat spots on these summer tires. And as you know, they're not as pliable when the temperature drops. So I do not want flat spots. These tires are, what are they, 250, 300 a piece. So this would be a good investment to protect my longevity of the tires. Okay, so let's just unbox this. I got this from Home Depot. They were about 40 bucks, and there are 12 tiles here. So let's see, let's take these out. There should be 12 pieces here, 12 tiles. These are all the side edges and corners. So let's just count these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 pieces here. So what I think I want to do is put 3 pieces on each corner. That will give it enough cushion. These are really hard stuff. I mean, there are ones that you can get for kids' playground stuff. Those are too soft. So when you have 7, 8, or even 900 pounds sitting on those things, they will get crushed. These are for high impact and heavy duty stuff. I'm not gonna worry about these edges and stuff like that, because these are enough pieces to go around when you have line them configured to a 3x4 or 4x3 for the edges. So I'm not gonna worry about these. These are gonna go back into the box. So let's check this out real quick. So I got 3 here. So I think what I want to do is sit these under the tire, and then I'm just gonna drive it up. Or I could just park it wherever I want it and then just jack it up and lower the car on it. But I think I'm gonna try to back the whole car up on all 4 corners and see how that works. I already kind of moved the car up. I have my my marking here where I want the car to be. So I'm just gonna line this up and for each corner, and then I'm just gonna back it up and see how it works. let's check this out. So I got that up, looks good. That looks good. Check the back. Nice, right on center. Cool. Alright, we have it sit right in the dead center and is looking pretty good. I mean, there's at least 700 pounds sitting on here. This is the front. So we'll give it a couple days, maybe it'll settle down a little bit. I think it's well worth it. For a box of this stuff, 40 bucks, and you're protecting, I don't know, $800 of tires, maybe $1,000, because these tires are what? I think $200-300 a piece. So it's a good investment. And if it makes you feel any better, I just saw it on the box that this box came from old tires, and this box was created from about 1.5 scrap tires from recycling. So that's good. That makes me feel good about that. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have a good one.